Hi! In front of me is CAT S75 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness. Firstly, open Tab menu and look for Adaptive Brightness shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, adaptive brightness is now on. If you want to switch it off, click on the same icon again. You can also go into Devices settings instead. Tap on Display section after scrolling down. Misclick and click on Adaptive Brightness feature. Lastly, tap on this switcher next to Use Adaptive Brightness to enable or disable it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!